And we're not fishing on the golf course, so we're good. Got one. Already. What? Oh, oh! First ever fish on the Sport Tech. Right?
Yeah, finally a bass.
Yeah, for real. That Sport Tech, you had that Sport Tech like for almost a year, and that thing has...
I had that since last Christmas.
Dude.
No joke, I had it since last
Alright, so my bro right here, he has a Sport Tech. He's had like for like a year, and he never caught a fish on it. I don't think I've ever caught a fish on a Sport Tech either. And he finally just got a bass.
Yeah.
It's a nice one too.
Yeah.
About time.
I didn't even get bass for like 6 months.
I know. I haven't gotten a fish in a while. Guys, I haven't been making much videos because I'm super busy in school, doing sports and just being a student. So I haven't had much time to make videos, but I'm gonna try to get back into it. Season's about to end, so I'm gonna have way more time to do it, and hopefully I'll make better videos. I know I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, guys. If I get to 1,000 subs, I will.
One?
Yep, I got one. Nah, it's not that good. Guys, I'll do a giveaway if we get to 1,000 subs.
Yes, guys. Please.
Please.
Vote for Pedro.
I need it. Vote for Pedro.
Vote for Pedro.
Ooh, the guy's digging. The way you work it. No diggity. Oh, look at his tail. Look at his tail. That's not good. No, I don't know. I think he got in a fight. Alright, guys. What I was saying is, if we get to 1,000 subs, I will do a giveaway for you guys, and we can do a Q&A. Whatever questions you guys want to ask me. I don't think you got much, but... Oh, bro, look at this thing. I got crappy hooks, too, so this thing's going to straighten out anytime soon if I get a big fish.
I don't know. Whatchamacallit? Yeah, I made my rod really tight.
Oh!
Oh, damn, that was good.
You already know, your boy got his free taco. Yeah.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
He is a fatty. He looks like a smallmouth. He's like...
Well, he's fat about smallmouth?
No, he's fat, but he's chody. Look, he looks like he's like a chode.
Yeah.
Break a section off of here. Oh. Bro, look. Oh, nice. Dude, all these fish are so nice, even though they're small, but they fight so hard.
At least we're getting some, bro.
Yeah. Look at my hook. This hook's a piece of crap. This is what you get for buying a $1 Walmart hook. $1 Walmart hook. It's a nice one.
Alright, Pedro. I have a bet for you, right? Not bet. I'm not betting nothing.
It's a challenge.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, we got a challenge. Class.
Right in this, like right here.
Right here.
Yeah, right here. Just cast straight, and you'll get one, alright?
Bet.
And if I cast on the middle, I'll get one.
Alright, and if you don't?
If I don't?
10 push-ups.
10 push-ups?
Yeah.
Alright.
Deal.
10 push-ups.
Let me cast a little further out. That wasn't a good cast. I'll give it to you. Let me get one more cast. There you go. That's a good cast. How are we looking at to doing? 100 push-ups? 10 push-ups? I don't want to do 10 push-ups. Please don't bite. Oof.
I'm moving it up.
Yeah. Get down. Get down, boy.
Grass.
Let's go in the grass, whatever. I'll give it to you so you don't get dirty. Oh crap.
10 push-ups, people.
We'll now begin the push-up section.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go.
Alright.
Good game. Got him. Oh no, that was a good one too. This one was pretty good. Oh crap, this one was pretty. Oh,
There, bro. Look.
nice hook set, dude. Holy crap, that's a nice one. Yo, that's a stud.
Oh crap. for you, food tank.
Yo, this food tank don't be a dick. Yo, that's the best one of the day.
Really good one, bro.
That's like a 5 pounder at least. I don't know. I'll got my thingy with me. Bro, if you're not Phil's.
Alright, I'm gonna get him in. Get him in.
Get him in, get him in. Nice.
Oh,
Bro, look,
yeah.
look at the mouth.
Barely
Look at the mouth of that guy. Ooh, wee mama.
Oh, yes, finally. Let's see, like that. Look at that. It's a good one.
Yeah, it is a good one. Nah,
Good one
okay.
today, Pedro.
It's like that's like a 4 pounder.
Yeah,
4, yeah.
pretty good. Oh, man, I'm feeling those teeth on him, bro. I missed that. For real.
Bro, I bet he's gonna splash you.
I'm gonna splash around there. Game must be back.
Oh, no, you good. Yo,
Got my feet wet.
nice.
That's good.
Alright, I tied a storm swim bait on. Yellow one. I don't know the actual color of it, but that's how it looks. Hopefully I can get one on it. Shouldn't be that hard though.